So friends, if you want to convert Word document into the PDF, you can do it very easily in few seconds. You don't need any software, you don't need any online websites to convert the Word into the PDF. So go ahead and let's see how to do it. I have got the Word document open. So go to the file menu and here export is there. Press export and create PDF XPS document. Press this and save the file PDF. Publish it. So PDF document has been created. This is the PDF document. Second way, you can go to the file menu, save as, and save it the file, and save as a type of, select the PDF and save the file as a PDF document. So see, the PDF has been created. So this is how you can convert the Word file into the PDF in a few seconds. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe and share for more tech updates. Good day.